Have you ever trained a pet? Maybe you gave your dog a treat when it sat down on command? Or maybe your teacher gave you a gold star for doing well in class? That, my friend, is the basic idea behind reinforcement learning, a super cool way to teach computers how to learn, just like we train pets or even ourselves. Let's break it down in a fun and easy way. What is reinforcement learning? Here's a famous definition. Reinforcement learning is a type of machine learning where an agent learns to make decisions by performing actions and receiving rewards or punishments. Sounds a bit fancy, right? Don't worry, let's make it super simple. Imagine a robot in a maze. It wants to reach the treasure. Every time it takes a correct step toward the treasure, it gets a point, a reward. But if it hits a wall or goes the wrong way, it loses a point, a punishment. Over time, it learns the best path to the treasure just by trying, failing, learning, and trying again. That's reinforcement learning. Like playing a video game. Think about when you play a new video game. At first, you don't know what to do, but after a few tries, you learn that collecting coins equals good, reward. Falling into lava equals bad, punishment. You slowly get better and better, right? That's exactly how reinforcement learning works. The computer is like a player trying to win a game, and it gets better by learning from its actions. Training a puppy. Let's take another example. You're teaching your puppy to sit. If it sits when you say sit, you give it a treat. If it doesn't sit, you don't give it anything, no reward. Soon your puppy learns, if I sit when told, I get a treat. The puppy wants to be rewarded, so it keeps doing the right thing. In reinforcement learning, the computer is like the puppy. The reward is like a treat, and the action is like sitting, jumping, or walking. The main parts of reinforcement learning. Let's understand the 4 main parts in a simple way. Agent. This is the learner or decision maker, like the robot, puppy, or computer. Environment. The world it lives in, a maze, game, or even a real city. Actions. The moves the agent can make, left, right, jump, sit. Rewards. Points given for good actions or taken away for bad ones. The agent keeps exploring, taking actions, and getting rewards. Over time, it learns what to do to get the most reward. A famous quote, "Success is the sum of small efforts," repeated day in and day out, Robert Collier. Reinforcement learning works the same way. The computer makes lots of small decisions, learns from each one, and keeps improving over time. Real-life examples of reinforcement learning. Here are some fun and amazing ways reinforcement learning is used. Self-driving cars, learning how to drive safely by getting rewards for staying in lanes and avoiding accidents. Robots, learning how to walk or pick things up by trying again and again. Games like chess or Go, beating world champions by learning millions of moves. Chatbots, learning to give better answers based on how people respond. Why it's powerful. Reinforcement learning is powerful because it doesn't need to be told exactly what to do. Instead, it learns by doing, failing, and trying again. Just like how we humans learn to ride a bike or play an instrument. So reinforcement learning is like giving a computer a brain that learns from experience, just like you do in real life. It's how we make smart robots, clever video game players, and even helpful assistants like the ones helping scientists and doctors today. The next time your pet learns a new trick or you master a level in a game, remember, you and the computer are both using a little bit of reinforcement learning magic